Ukraine will present the best achievements in the field of energy efficiency at the expo in Astana. Visitors will also be able to learn about Ukrainian culture and traditions as part of the National Day. Kazakhstani diplomats discussed preparations for the exhibition at the meeting with businessmen and the pavilion commissioners in Kiev. The parties expressed confidence that participation in a large-scale event will boost the energy development in Ukraine.
Украина находится в таком транзитном периоде.
Ukraine is in a transition period with lots of modernization projects ongoing now. Therefore, the energy sector is very important for Ukraine. Leading companies are planning to demonstrate their achievements. I think that participation in this global event will allow Ukraine to establish good connections with the world's leading energy leaders.
Вот именно участие в этом большом форуме глобальном позволит Украине наладить хорошие такие прагматические связи.
Expo organizers have been negotiating with Ukrainian businessmen for several months. At Expo, the participating countries will be promoting their developments and creating a foundation for future projects. Companies will present the information and promote themselves internationally at the same time. Therefore, Expo 2017 will let them become more recognizable among international investment companies and expand their scope of opportunities. Ukrainian businessmen intend to use the unique opportunity to participate in Expo 2017. They want to launch joint projects with Kazakhstan in the field of alternative energy. The two countries' potential and expertise can become a formula of overall success, businessmen believe.
Альтернативная энергетика в Украине, это, можно сказать, такой стартап.
Alternative energy is developing rapidly in Ukraine. Its renewable sources, its wood waste. Ukraine produces about 70 to 80 million tons of agricultural waste per year. Ukraine is working hard in this direction and ready to share its experience with the Kazakh business.
Продукции мы имеем большие отходы, порядка 70-80 миллионов тонн.
Expo organizers will be accepting businessmen's applications until mid-May. They do not disclose any information about exact number of participating companies, but assure that Ukrainian exhibits will be worth seeing.